In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find your Telegram group link. So if you're an admin and you want to find or you want to share your link with your friends, then the best thing to do is to go to your group and find the link. My name is Isaac and this is A Minute with AI. So let's get into it. Now the first thing you need to do is to tap on your group. And as you can see, this is my group, A Minute with AI. I'll go ahead and open it. From here, there are two ways to get your group link. One, you can tap on these add members here, and then this will go ahead and expose the group link. If you tap on it, the link will be copied. But if you want to see it first before you can copy, go ahead and tap on this name and then tap on add member and then invite to group via link, and this will expose the link of your group. And here is your group link, and as you can see, it usually begins with t.me and a combination of letters and numbers. Go ahead and tap on it to copy. So from here now you can go ahead and share it on any platform, and people now can click on it and then join your group. So that's how you find and share your Telegram group link. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.